How to restore a previous version of a file in Google Drive. This tutorial shows you how to roll back a file to how it looked before recent changes were made. First, open Google Drive in Chrome on your computer. After that, double-click on the file you want to restore to open it. Let me show you. From there, click on File from the top menu bar. At this point, hover over Version History. In the next step, click on See Version History from the submenu. Following this, a panel will appear on the right showing every saved version, organized by date and time. Once done, click on any previous version in the list to preview how the file looked at that point. From here, click on the three dots next to that version once you find the one you want. At this stage, click on Restore this version from the drop-down menu. Keep in mind, restoring a version doesn't delete newer changes. It simply creates a new version on top matching the one you selected. Finally, come back to version history anytime you want to restore a different version later. And that's it. If this guide helped you restore a previous version of a file in Google Drive, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.